Another day, another Maker Advent, and today it's a different one. It's a repair, or hopefully a repair. This is my handheld vacuum cleaner which charges via USB-C and it's got a battery inside. It's great. As you know, as vacuum cleaners go, it cleans up stuff, keeps the room less dusty than what it should be, and, you know, yeah, when it works, it works. Got a problem. Oh, it does this as well, which I think is pretty cool. Look at that, it's like a 1950s ray gun. Anyway, problem. Watch. There's a power button. Press the power button. Listen. You hear that? I'll put it up to the microphone a bit nearer so you can hear it. Starts, but then does nothing. So I took the end off thinking, is there a blockage? That's to one side. That looks pretty clear in there. That's the motor that spins to suck the air through a filter. I've cleaned the filter out as well. He looks inside to check. I did clean the filter out. Yeah, it looks cleaner than normal. Anyway, you can just see the motor spin just a little bit. There you go. So something is stopping it. It won't take a charge. It goes on charge and says, yeah, I need power. It charges for half an hour and goes, I'm done. And then it just doesn't do anything. So let's take a look. Luckily, there are visible screws. 1, 2, 3. So let's have a shufty. This is where I hope I keep it all in camera because I can't see what I'm doing right now because the camera's above me. Right, let's get a number 1. Got the right size? Yep, there, that's engaged. There's one screw. So inside is an 18650, I believe, or some sort of LiPo or lithium ion pack. And all the electrics are held inside the handle. There we go, there's another one out. Bingo. Right, that's open. Let's have a look inside. Separation line there. May need a spudger. Right, there's only 3 screws, so it should come apart. You can see it coming apart there, but something else down here. I mean, hopefully you don't have to take all the screws out, because that would be an absolute pain in the bum. Let's just keep having a look here. Ah, that ring there won't help. Well spotted, Les. Okay, so we're inside, and it's a simple motor. Connections look okay. Nothing hideous in there by the look of it. Let's see if I can just take this apart here. There we go. I'll put that back on in a bit, promise. Yeah, it's a double pack 18650. The battery pack is soldered to the board down here. There's nothing visibly wrong. I haven't got a microscope like all these famous YouTubers. Okay, so it looks like everything is okay. There's no burnt chips, there's nothing missing. Yeah, it's two 18650s, it's 2000 milliamp hours in total. The switch controller is on a daughter board that's soldered to the main board. What we need to get these batteries off. Right, there is a screw there. Let's use a comedy oversized screwdriver. Is that going to come out now? No, because there's a second screw, that's why. There we are. So it's those two on the ends that are battery connections. Let's get something to hold it down. How can I take that out? We'll take all this out of the equation right now. And I'm just going to hold this down with some white tack. Let's be careful here. 7.98, so that's fully charged. So why is it not doing anything? Let's have a look. Is there anything blocking the motor? Oh, there we go. What about you? Do you come out of there? You do? Lovely. So I'm not going to hold the motor while I turn it on, just in case it starts tearing my flesh off. That would be a great YouTube video, but not for me. It's doing nothing. So if the battery's reading right, and that's moving freely, then it has to be a problem with the board. But what? Because that board looks pretty good. That there, WB2090A, an N-channel MOSFET apparently. I thought, ah, look, there's a pin missing from the centre there. It's like, no, it's not missing. It's meant to be like that. Okay, so it's not that. Anybody spot anything? Anybody? Bueller? Okay, viewer, it turns out there's nothing wrong with it. I am just a doofus. Right, oh yeah, I took the battery apart to have a look inside. It's safe. That, yeah, it's not quality street wrappers, it's capped on tape. Right, press the power button, just quickly. And it's working again. How? Don't know why. Battery pull? Me not pressing the button right? Divine intervention? Christmas magic? Gary may have been using it to hoover up snow or bauble dust. Don't know what. But yeah, it's working now. So I took it apart for no reason. But hey, it's all part of Maker Advent. It's all part of the holiday, the Christmas, the season of itself. We're always repairing something. Is it Christmas lights? Is it a hoover, a vacuum cleaner that's no longer working? But anyway, I've got to put all this back together now. So one moment, please. Right, I'm just going to test that it works while it's not fully assembled. That's a pretty definite yes. Excellent. Okay, we can continue. Let's put the collar back on. Which way did it go on? Soon find out. Is it that way? It's on. So that's good. Right, let's put more screws in. Lovely. One more screw. But this screw does not want to go in. There we go. That's just dropped into its slot. That's upside down. Always do that. Let's get some stuff to hoover up. One moment. What do we got? There we go. And I'm going to get the nozzle for it. Here is the nozzle. Yes, this is the YouTube content you came here for. The hoover is fixed. I've got no idea how I fixed it, but it's fixed. Calling that a win. And that's it for today on Maker Advent. I'll see you tomorrow. Ta-da.